got on Facebook?
I don't remember exactly. In more than
About 500? How about
Wow.
you? 200. 200? Okay, so for example that I have 10 friends on Facebook and each of them have 10 friends more, and if I publish my post, so can you guess like how many people can reach my post? Yeah, actually it's 1,000. I can calculate it later, but it's over 1,000. And just imagine that you have like 200 or 500 friends on Facebook. It's really have a lot of people can reach your post, and they have their own perspective for your post. So even it's good or it's bad, maybe it's up to their opinion. And because of those things, so it leads to cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is bullying on internet, like when you upload a Facebook photos and people will get into your post and say that it's so ugly or something like body shaming. And yeah, it's cyberbullying, and it's impact negatively on your mental health. And so how can we solve this problem? The problem that we want to solve is cyberbullying. So I want to give a solution that the share button. Like after you share, after you like, or after you comment anything on Facebook post, please think before you share. And you can see that people have three of like level to think about the people like. The first stuff is apathy, that you don't have any feeling about their life. The second thing is sympathy, that you know it and you feel pity for them. And the last one is sympathy. So I think like on social media, like specifically is Facebook, we should use sympathy to put yourself in their shoes. Like you understand their case and you know like how to act with the right attitude. So I think like the first solution for the cyberbullying is think before you share or comment or like. Yeah, that's all.
All right.